In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start copy trading on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Conqueror Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, look to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on the Copy tab. This will take you to the Copy Trading section, where you can explore available strategies from different strategy providers. After opening the Copy tab, browse through the list of strategy providers. Take your time to look through the available options and find a strategy that matches what you want to review. When you find one that interests you, select it to open the full strategy details. Inside the strategy page, review the available information carefully. Focus on the strategy's performance, risk level, and trading history. You can also look at any other statistics that are provided. This helps you understand how the strategy has performed and whether it fits your trading preferences before you commit any funds. Once you are ready to move forward, click Start Copying. The platform will then ask you to enter the amount you want to allocate to that strategy. Type in the amount you are comfortable assigning for copy trading. After that, review the copy trading settings. Go over the details carefully so you understand how the strategy will be connected to your account. This is the point where you confirm that your allocation and settings are correct. When everything looks good, click Start Copying again to confirm. The platform will then begin adding the selected strategy to your copy trading portfolio. Give it a moment to process the request. Once the setup is complete, wait for the strategy to appear in your copy trading portfolio. Then go to your copy dashboard and verify that the copied strategy is listed there. This confirms that the strategy has been added successfully and is now active in your account. From here, you can monitor the strategy directly from your dashboard and keep track of its activity and performance over time. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.